Good morning, students. This is a doubt problem for one student. So I will clarify this doubt. It's not a textbook problem. Okay. First I will read the problem. Then we will go with the exercise. Exercise 2.4, and this is a problem. If minus 2 and 3 are zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to 2x cube minus x square plus ax plus b, then find the values of a and b. It is the problem. Now you should understand that if minus 2 is 0 of this polynomial, okay, minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial, what you have to write is p of minus 2 is equals to 0. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. So here you have to write p of minus 2 is equals to 0. Means in place of x, if you substitute minus 2, the entire value becomes 0, since minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Now p of x we know, in right hand side, wherever you are seeing x, in that place you have to substitute minus 2. So this becomes 2 into x cube is there here. So x means minus 2 whole cube. 2x cube I wrote like this. After this what you have here? Minus x square. X should not write it. Minus 2 square. Plus a into minus 2. Plus b. In place of x only I substituted minus 2 because minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial. I equated with 0 because p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. This I should simplify it now. Don't multiply 2 and minus 2 now. Minus 2 whole cube, simplify it. This is minus 8. 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. This is minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Minus into plus 4 is minus 4. Here it is minus 2a plus b is equals to 0. Now I should keep a's and b's only here. Numbers I should take to right hand side. Minus 16, minus 4, both are having same sign. So you can keep the same sign and add them. So it is minus 20, minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Now bring minus 20 to that side. Minus 2a plus b is equals to 20. It is equation number 1. Then one more 0 of the polynomial is given. Means what you have to do? In place of x you have to substitute 3. Then so p of 3 is equal to 0. How can you say p of 3 is equal to 0? Since 3 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now wherever x is there, there I have to write 3. Then it becomes 2 into 3 cube minus 3 square plus a into 3 plus b is equals to 0. 3 cube 27. 27 2s are how much? 54. Minus 3 square minus 9 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0. Now from 54 you should subtract what? 9. Then how much you are getting? 45. So 45 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0. Some students will write 45 plus 3a is 48a, they will write. It is wrong. 45 is the number, 3a is alphabet. Means it is variable. You can't add these two. Okay. Now what I have to do is, I have to keep 3a plus b here only. Send plus 45 to this side. It is minus 45. It is equation number 2. Till here, if you have any doubt, just ask me. Otherwise, I will continue with this problem. Okay. So you can't ask doubt now. So I will continue. Now I have to solve these two equations. Okay. I am raising this question. Okay. How to solve? I will say to you. Solve to equation number 1. Okay. I should copy this equation here. Minus 2a plus b is equals to 20 is one equation. 3a plus b is equals to minus 45 is another equation. I had to solve. So it is plus b, it is plus b. Coefficients are same. So if you do subtraction, then these will be cancelled and you will get the value of e. So while subtracting down whatever equation is there, their symbols should be changed. Okay. Now plus b minus b cancelled. Minus 2a minus 3a is minus 5a is equals to 20 plus 45, 65. A is equals to 65 divided by minus 5. Minus 5 is multiplying a. So it will divide. 5, 21. So you are getting a value as minus 21. You are getting a value as minus 21. To get b value, substitute a value in 1 or 2, your wish. You can substitute in any equation. So I am substituting in 2. Okay. 3 into minus 21, 3a plus b is equals to minus 45. Is that here? Next what I am doing? Minus 321, 63 plus b is equals to minus 45. B is equals to minus 63, if you are taking this, it's 63. Minus 45. So 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. How much here? That is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. 18. What you got here? B value as 18. Now the problem is right or wrong if you want to check it. What you have to do? A and B values substitute in 1 and 2. You should get same values. Okay. So minus 2 into minus 21 plus 18. If I do minus 2 into minus plus 41 plus 41 plus 18. You are not getting the value. Here minus 23. So 5 2s are not 23, 1s are 5 13s are. Okay, it is minus 13 a value and substitute here minus 13 value here. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, minus 39 will come. Minus 39, take to this side. So getting minus 6. So this AB values you got it. If you want verification if you do it, substitute in 1. Minus 2 into A means here minus 13. B means here minus 6. It is 26 minus 6. 20 you got it. So these two values are correct. Okay. Next we will go to the exercise 2.4. Somewhere here cancellation one seen here. Okay. Then next problem. I said eighth question also I said to you. 9th question, it is same like 8th question only. 10th question will say in exercise 2.4 10th question. Y minus 3 is a factor of y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. Y minus 3 is a factor of y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. So it is question. What he asked here, find the other two factors. One factor is this one. You should find out remaining two factors. So here, new method I will say to you. Two methods I will say for this one. One is division method. Division method, how to do, we'll see it. So this is what here, a cubic polynomial. What is coefficient of y cube? Y cube's coefficient 1, y square coefficient -2, y coefficient -9. Here last constant term 80. We should write that entire like this only. Keep like this. Then what is factor? What factor he given here? Y minus 3 or not? Y minus 3 equate to 0. Y minus 3 equate to 0. Then y is equal to how much you are getting? 3. So here you have to take 3. First 0 you should write here. First 0 write down. Do addition. These two add it. 1 plus 0 how much here? 1. This 3 multiply with 1. 3 ones are 3. Again add these two. 3 plus minus 2. 1 only. 3 ones are 3. These two if you add you are getting minus 6. 3 into minus 6. Minus 18. Last you got 0. So it is division method. I done division already. If you got like this, see, last one is constant, x coefficient, x square coefficient, x cube coefficient. Here, this is constant, this is x coefficient, this is x square coefficient. Then, what you are getting is this y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. If you divide with y minus 3, here some answer you will get it or not? This answer already you got it. How you have to write? Minus 6 you should write. This is before constant term y term or not? So here 1y means y only, and here y after, y before, y square coefficient, y square. Means this normal division I did not do. Directly by this division method, what I done? I done division and I got quotient as like this. So it is true or not? If you want to know, you can do division. Y into y square is how much? Y cube. Minus 3 into y square is minus 3y square. Do subtractions. This were cancelled. Y square minus 9y, okay. Y into y is y square, okay. Minus 3 into y is minus 3y. Symbols change it. Minus 6y plus 18. Y into minus 6 is minus 6y. And plus 18. Cancelled and you got 0. So, this by doing this division you can write the quotient, or like this long division you can do it. So, by doing this center, what you got is, you got so I am writing here, I am rubbing this one. So, what you got I will write here. A cubic polynomial is equals to, means what is the cubic polynomial? Y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18. This is a cubic polynomial. Is equals to y minus 3 into quotient. What is this quotient? Y square plus y minus 6. You got like this. Then what you have to do? 1, 0, you got it. These two you have to factorize. You can take this separately and you can do factorization, or you can factorize here also. First and last if you multiply you are getting minus 6y square. Okay. So I am writing 2 and 3, y and y. For middle you have positive number. So for bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Then this y minus 3 as it is I written, brackets open, y square as it is, but instead of plus y, I am writing here minus 2y plus 3y minus 6. Now again y minus 3 same. In these two terms I am taking y as common. Y into y minus 2. In this 2 I am taking plus 3 as common. Y minus 2. Now I am taking a y minus 2 as common. Then I am getting y plus. So The remaining two factors are what means y minus 2 is 1 and y plus 3 is another factors. One factor already he given, two factors are this one. Okay. Next, this exercise 2.4 is completed. Then before going to next exercise, better in 8th class you have some formulas, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b whole square. These all formula if you know perfectly, we can do exercise 2.5. So today practice this entire. Okay, thank you.